Oh God, you're not even gonna tell nobody. We're talking about. Right.
What are you?
Classic.
Classic.
So I gotta
get in the
pinche tanga, way. I'm gonna be in the pinche tanga.
I'm feeling like the broad shorts, like the 950.
Oh really,
like,
bro? If you ever competed, hell nah, you gotta put them bad boys to use, bro.
Like my bread and butter
it's like
clothes that you see the
so same, bro. That's why I'm like.
Classic is just more like lats, side, back.
Yeah, hell yeah, and the relaxed pose and stuff. But no, there are still like, cause they'll give you the option to be like, do your favorite classic pose. Yeah. Oh, damn near that one. I think so.
Yeah.
Pushing the lat, bro. Cause apparently this arm is like, it already naturally kind of does its own thing. Yeah. So it's like this left one, this one will pop out. Yeah. Cause I was watching, I mean, bro, I've been already spamming bodybuilding videos and shit. And it's like, bro, that's what some of the pros are talking about. It's like, you gotta pop your hip out a little bit. And it's like, that's like a transition. Even just looking, like when you do that, then it's like, oh, then turn around. That's the transition right there. So it's like, man, I'm excited though, bro. I'm just warming up. I'm already getting hot and itchy. Goddamn pre is kicking in, y'all, bro. I'm actually physique's new aired out. I wasn't even really plotting on it. I happened to be. I was like, you know what? It's a fit. It's all the chicken and broccoli, bro. Spam it, you're gonna be all right. I'm gonna warm up the shoulders a little bit too. Nah, bro, you're doing good. Keep them elbows tucked, right there. And go down as deep as you can. You can go a little farther.
That's all I go.
What? Oh, that's why, because you had this down. Try it now. Because this thing, yeah. Yeah, hell yeah. There we go. There it is. Now we're talking, huh?
Burnt down already.
Yeah.
Next set.
Call it, bro. You're good. Okay, first working set, baby. Let's see how this shit moves. I was almost injuring my tri. I was like, I don't know, I think I was overworking it. And like the last week or two, I would do anything, even biceps, bro. My tri would start acting out, so.
You probably just had tendinitis from overuse.
Yeah, I mean.
From overuse, probably?
I can make it, I think so. Yeah. Actually, that's a good probably way to think about it.
Tendinitis.
Cause it was just, no, it wasn't actually tendon, because it was my straight up tri. You know what? It was right here. That's Big Jordan over there. Big J. Hey yo, Big J. Hey yo, big dog.
Remember that video you used with that face swapping guy, the ugly ass dude?
Oh yeah.
I used to have a friend that looked just like that guy.
Just look like the filter?
Yeah, looked just like the filter. I was like, I just realized that guy was ugly as shit.
You're like, damn, bro, it's chopped in a motherfucker, huh?
I scared all the way out of home.
Okay.
For real.
Bro, that's
it's true though. You can't have a friend and be like,
bro, so.
I feel bad sometimes.
It does, bro, because it's like, I swear, sometimes the most chopped dudes be acting the weirdest too. And it's like, bro, like, you're making it worse. It's like, you already got one thing not going for you. You're gonna double down. It's like, bro, it's like, then you're adding like awkward, like, thirsty shit into the mix, and that's cooked, bro. Yeah, keep them elbows took. There we go. Jordan, what's good, bro? Jordan ain't even saying what's up, bro. You over there hiding. Getting some prep files in, bro. We're in it to win it, bro. I'm just like, bro, I'm excited, bro, because I'm just like, I ain't the biggest dude ever, but I'm like, I'm willing to put everything I got into this shit, so I'm excited to see how it goes, bro.
Yeah, I was even talking to Juan about it for a little bit too, but I was like, honestly, I think you just gotta do it, regardless of your size,
bro, yeah,
whether you're 10 or not.
Hell yeah.
But once you do it once,
yeah. I wanna do it and then see how I feel about the whole game, really, you know? If I fuck with it, I'm, you know, then there we go. Then it's the beginning of a journey, you know? And if not, I did a show, and that's like more rapport.
For sure.
So I'm like, yeah, let's see what we can do.
You just elevate yourself after you do it.
All that, bro. Cause then
it's the confidence.
There we go, right? Cause you're like, I did that shit. I got lean as fuck, and I'm like, damn, bro. I'm just excited to see how it goes. Big man Jordan in the cut. Come on, take it. Get to flexing on these bad boys. Hold on. Damn.
Where can we find you at, man? Where can we find you at?
Bro said follow my OnlyFans, Jordan Wald _. No, nah, bro, but yeah. Oh, you're hitting legs, yeah? He's like, nah, bro, I'm hitting back over there. He's like, oh, the leg extension, bro. He's like, hold on, we're hitting back, bro.
I was both of your legs today, but I'm not feeling it.
All right, yeah.
Leg days here are different, though. I'll be honest. They're different.
Honestly, bro, I do like the leg stuff here. That's what it's about, you know? Get in there, get the.
I'm working on it, you know? Not that.
He's not steroids.
He said he's not natty, right?
He's not steroids.
He's like, bro's not natty. What did they say? It's like if he's bigger, he's not natty. He's not natty, bro. He said, bro. Yeah, he's not natty. Fuck that. It's.
Oh yeah.
Bro, that looks like a warm up, man. Look at this. You need 20 these reps, bro.
You gotta move up the weight.
I think so too.
You just get quad extensions in there.
He just did. He already did.
Warm up.
Sissy squats. Sissy squats.
Oh, this is crazy.
Bro, I just did him yesterday. That's why. You gotta catch up.
So do the 3-1 again?
Yeah. You know, that's finish that. I always like on my leg days, when I start my leg days, I warm up my hamstrings first, then I warm up my quads, and then I go into like
I didn't warm up the hamstrings, I just warmed up the
for
quads.
some reason.
Honestly, that's valid too, though. I mean, it does the job.
And then right at the end,
Yeah, same
right
though.
at the end, I'll finish with my quad extensions again.
Okay. I mean, right when I got in the bar, I felt good, so
Yeah.
it's like I didn't even need to warm up the hamstrings.
No, yeah. Yeah, I mean, so I'm following like Jeff Nippert's program, right? And that's on leg day, first one, when it's quad focused, it started with hammies.
Yep.
So, actually, wait, both of my leg days start with hammies. Yeah, my second day, because it's like antagonist muscle group.
Yep.
So it's like
Do you do the hamstring curls or like the
seated curls, and then
Okay.
Nordics too.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, okay.
Well, I'm gonna do this.
Come on, up, yeah. That's what I want to see. There we go. Damn, man, it's Mr. fucking Weenie Hood Junior Security, bro. Damn, that is fire, bro. Oh, God,
Go finish your leg day with walking lunges, no weight.
I can't. I did swing squat.
Pussy.
Can't you swing squat?
He said,
You
yeah,
swing
okay.
like that. How? Why the fuck?
Damn.
I'll shut up.
Oh, yeah, she got you there, bro.
Swing squat maybe once or twice a month.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm not.
Because
What?
It's really taxing on my knees. 'Cause
Bro.
there's so much knee flexion.
Get some knee sleeves, bro.
I do have knee sleeves.
Oh, yeah, you do, huh? Bro, that's why I don't do them bitches,
I
bro.
load up 3 plates in that motherfucker and I just rip it.
Yeah, give it up, bro. Stop. Quit
right?
that shit.
I
Quit that
know,
shit while you're ahead.
We had a better hack squat here.
Yeah.
So I actually used to think the same until I started fucking with the settings a good bit. Now I fucking love it, bro.
You band up or no?
You're like, what, band up? Nah, bro, bands? That one, that black one, right? I mean, honestly, bro, this one, if you fuck around with the the foot pad, whatever, and then the back pad, you can get a really good angle on that shit, because it used to kill my knees. I'd be like, I'd do a set, and I'd be like, oh, hell no. But,
One plate.
bro,
plate.
one, and then
That's
all
what
I
I'm
did,
saying. When I see people band up, I'm like, because I can do 4 plates banded. Not to mention, I heard it's really bad because it kind of releases the stress on your knees. So when you decide to load it up, you're cooked.
it makes it easier
Yeah.
in the stretch position.
Yeah,
So it's like, so then you're,
defeating the purpose of
yeah.
your lifting.
Literally, I'm like, bro, whenever I see somebody do bands, I'm like, just go lighter.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously, it has its like,
That's what I told
yeah, I'm like, bro, it has its place, but I'm like, is it necessary?
Wear knee sleeves. I'd rather just go.
Yeah, okay, I got you. I only like knee sleeves because, I mean, the sole purpose of them is to keep your knees warm. Like,
Not
yeah,
to keep
they
it
help,
compressed.
not to, the compression
blood.
part is just
You need
there.
blood in there.
Yeah, it's like, you just need to keep them warm.
It is false hope.
And then after I'll take them off.
Fake news. It's fake news, man.
You think about me like what I just do to myself, bro. Belts are goated though, too.
Belts are good.
I mean, I love belts and sleeves. I'm like, that is fire, bro. Shit. What size is that, bro? What size is that?
That's large. That's your size. That's your size, big dog.
I do large, bro. I'm not a big oversized person.
I love oversized.
I know. I peeped. Same with one. The pump. Okay, that don't look that bad. It's an illusion. It's an optical illusion. Come on. Up. Yeah. More. Come on. Oh, yeah, that's you. Come on. Come on, it's your last set, man. Juice them out. Come on. Oh, that's you. Yeah. Beautiful. One more. Come on. Up. Oh, that was all you, man. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what we're looking for right there. Here. And a crisp ass dab. Mira. The marquitas. How do you do it? No, that's me, bro. That's a 2-step, bro. Universal. Actually, lucky I'd be frying myself on these, bro. Again, if you're doing anything forever, it's like, it is kind of decent to switch it up.
Our gym is so limited, so you know.
I mean, honestly, it's just like, again, we have all the ingredients, you know? We have the barbells, we have the dumbbells. I don't like wasting energy. Ugh, I swing them up. Oh, yeah, I might need you here, Wani. Let me get my first couple. I usually get a decent amount, but let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. They're moving good.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Oh, come on, baby. I'm at 9. Yeah, I'll let you know.
Come on.
Oh,
I got you.
11. Come on, baby. Actually, let me see if I got one solo. Oh, another one solo. Fuck you. Santo Dios. Oh, I should have had a cramp. Hey, Lisa.
Your arms aren't sore after this.
Dead cheeks. Dead cheeks. Anything aren't sore, bro? Dead cheeks, bro. Dead cheeks, bro. Look there. Especially because we did some Bayesian curls before, too.
Come on.
Yeah.
Let's go. Come on.
He likes those.
Yeah. You hate them?
Definitely work different part of the bicep.
Yeah, hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Come on.
Up. Oh, yeah. Come on, what are we here for, man? Juice them out. Did he just say arms yesterday?
I don't know.
Haley.
Yeah, we did do
Y'all hit back yesterday? Yeah. It was, oh, that's like he was supposed to hit legs. Hey, you know what? He got enough legs on him right now, anyway.
I got plenty, guys.
So you got plenty to go around. Hold on.
I'm lacking up here. That's what I'm talking about.
It's my lats that I really gotta.
Trying to prioritize too. Like,
Yeah, hell yeah.
I have the smallest lats in the world.
Yeah, juice him out. Bro, that's butter. It's still moving. Let him. He good. You don't need no help? Yeah, right. He said. Come on. Oh, come on, baby. Fuck. 9.
Come on. Oh yeah.
1 or 2. Come on, baby.
Extra credit.
One more, baby. Oh, Santo Dios.
Yeah. Don't talk about Drake. Don't talk about Drake like that.
No, not Drake, man.
Hey, he
Trust
wasn't on the Epstein files.
Nah, dead cheeks he wasn't, bro. Oh yeah. Come on. Up. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, another one. Come on, don't leave it odd. Come on. Everything. Oh yeah. Come on, it's you. All the way. Beautiful. Let me know.
This is for you, Edgar.
Come on. All the way. Everything. Oh yeah. Come on. Beautiful. Oh, baby. That's what we're talking about, man. Bro folds over. Oh yeah, there we go, Big J. Come on, Big J. Let's get it in there. Look at this. Look at them goddamn biceps, bro. Talking about some, those are the meat logs we was talking about right there. Come on, up. Yeah, baby. That's what we like to see. Come on, my boy. Oh yeah, bro. Come on.
One arm. Okay, now I gotta do all.
Yeah, bro. I hate that shit too.
Honestly, get that shit out of the way.
It's like, all right, let's go. Let's go.
Drop it like it's hot.
Yeah, it is.
That vein about to explode. Dude's definitely on fucking time.
Oh yeah. Come on. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
One more. Come on, baby.
If he dies, he dies.
Let's go. Come on, push.
Hit 3? All right, cool. Woo! Oh yeah, my shit's on fire. Damn, Jordan doing 4, now we gotta do 4, bro. Yeah, we gotta fall back.
I hate the standard.
Oh
I
god.
hate this double standard.
Bro, that cologne is still smelling too, bro. Jesus Christ. $30 for that shit? Oh my god, bro.
Arab dudes, bro. I don't know
Fucking
what
hell.
they
Do you smell that, bro? His cologne is still strong, bro. Bro said it was $30, bro. My shit was a honey.
YSL and that shit was like 1.
YSL's bomb.
Yeah.
YSL's bomb.
It smells
It's
good.
bomb. Yeah.
smells
It does. I was like, hold on.
I mean,
Oh wait, how much do you spray?
7 sprays minimum.
7?
7 minimum.
Okay, I do like 3, 4. I do like 4. 1.
7.
I do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Everything's bad for you.
I guess it is all fucked. It lowers your testosterone if you wear too much too.
That's why you only spray your clothes.
That makes sense.
Only spray your clothes.
No, so only
Yeah, spray clothes.
nah, maybe just one spray and then like everywhere, you know, just because it'll be a little bit. Then the rest is your clothes. That okay.
I know you've seen that video of that Mexican guy that asked his homie, hey bro, can you
Bro, and then bro, bleach.
cologne? He puts bleach in his cologne, and he turned around, he has the cologne all in his ass.
Bro,